Hey, Boog, remember that just showed the sheep is addicted to him and happens with his mind?
Yeah, Elliot. Some person named Coconut Fred already made sure the sheep to drink lean and his eyes actually red. Lean is fucking bad for us, Elliot.
You're right, Boog. Lean is kinda bad for us and Coconut Fred is a fucking mess.
Tug them, Elliot.
Hey, Boog and Elliot. I haven't met you guys for a long time.
Hey, Mr. Wolf, I heard you're working in the SWAT with Diane Fossington. Also, Elliot has a fucking hearing loss because of yesterday's party in the club.
Anyways, guys, you wanna go to Starbucks with me and Mr. Snake?
Sure, Mr. Wolf. We should definitely pick up Sean the sheep and send him to mental health for his addictions.
Hey guys, I'm back from furry convention and I got Lean and Mr. Wolf body pillow.
What the fuck? Sean the sheep, this pillow is making me blush and yet totally sent him to mental health.
Well, what are we waiting for?
Gonna paint our wagon, gonna paint it good. We ain't bragging, we're gonna coat that wood.
Holy shit, what have I done?
Don't worry, Gus, he's not bleeding, he's unconscious.
Or not, we're kinda fucked. Anyways, Mr. Wolf, it's okay. It was an accident.
You're right, Boog. It was an accident. We should send him in the hospital, too.
Oh man, Mr. Wolf actually did hit Sonic the Hedgehog.
That's not Sonic the Hedgehog. That's Hog from Friday Night Funkin' vs. Sonic X. A canceled character.
You're right, Mr. Wolf. I believe in you. That's really Hog from Sonic X canceled character.
Gus, we don't have time. Let's send him to the hospital and soon as Sean the sheep.
What, have 30 minutes left? Don't worry. The hospital is close and Starbucks. Maybe Mr. Snake isn't here. Let's get back in.
And that's why we're at town for a Starbucks hangout with Boog and Elliot.
Whoa, that's a pretty cool messed up story, Wolf. I gotta tell you, when I was a kid, my dad accidentally crashed into Count Duckula and Mr. Krabs' mother.
Hey guys, I'm back from mental health. Also yeah, you're right guys. Lean is bad for me, so I'm not shitty anymore guys. To tell you guys, Coconut Fred is a total dumbass. Anyways, I still have my body pillow from the furry convention.
God damn it.
I love Ian.
Hey, do you guys want to hear a bathroom joke?
You trying to kill us?
Oh, that's ridiculous. This place.
What was that? What?
It's time for King Gas!